Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will share you one best app where you can exchange your currencies. You can transfer your euros to INR. So with this app easily, within like 5 to 10 minutes, the amount going to transfer to your Indian bank account, and it is regulated by the RBI, Reserve Bank of India. So they haven't tied up with the banks, which is which is regulated with the RBI. So you no need to worry about any fraudulent transaction or loss of money. So it's the best app where you can transfer the money. So before going to the video guys, if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, make sure that you have been subscribed to our channel and click on the bell icon, click on all to get all the notification from our channel. Basically this app gives you the current price, live price, whatever in the Google. Let's think like now the euro price is 1 euro equals to 100 rupees. So in the app also you will get if you transfer 1 euro, you will get 100 rupees to your Indian bank account. In the same way, like this app provides there is no limit for this app. You can transfer the money as much as you want. So from the past like more than 1 month I'm using this app, and also I recommended so many of my friends. They have been using this app from the more than 1 month, and they have shared their experience with this app. This app is awesome, so you can use this app. So I will give link in the description. You can just click the link. For this app you need to verify it with your ID. So once you done with your verification, you can good to go with transfer the money to your Indian bank account. Just you can verify with your ID. So once you verified, so once you click on my link and once you use my referral code, you will get up to 7 transaction you will get for free of cost. The offer is going on, so up to 7 transaction you will get free of cost. After that they will charge you for per transaction 3 euros. So when compared to the other exchange platform, this is the best app I can say, just because like you can compare the prices. For example, there are other competitors in market where they are providing the exchange service, right? So initially they are, for the first transaction they are good rate, but after the first transaction they're reducing the price when compared to the Google rate. So but in this app which I have been given in link in the description, that app provides you the how many transactions you may do. So you will get at the current price whatever is going on in the Google. Let's think like today the Google price is 1 euro equals to 100 rupees. Now if you transfer now, you will get 100 rupees to your bank account. So let's think like tomorrow, so the price got hiked and the price is 102. So 102, 1 euro equals to 102. So then if you transfer tomorrow, you will get 10 rupees of 102 rupees. So based on the current market price which is going in the Google. So I compared the lot of other exchange apps. So when compared to the other exchange app, this is what the best app. And also guys, like in this app you can compare the prices other exchange platforms which are on the market. More than 1 month I haven't compared this prices with the other platforms, and this is the best app I can say that you can use for your exchange. And as I said you before, this app is tied up with the banks which is regulated by the RBI, which is Reserve Bank of India, and also the EU nations. You no need to worry about the loss of money or fraudulent transaction. So in the lot of videos I haven't shared my experience. People are sharing the transferring the money with the unknown person from now. So no need to worry. Use this app and get the best price for your euros. And you can transfer, once you add the beneficiary, you can add the beneficiary and you can send them multiple times, and you can add the multiple beneficiary in this app. And the app UI is superb guys. I like this. There are so many big competitors so in this platform, but this app gives you the best experience for you in terms of UI and also in terms of exchange rate. Just download the app, can transfer for free of cost like 7 transaction. There is any changes in the offer, I will mention in the description. Make sure that you check the description and sign up with my link and use my referral code to avail the current going offer. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Share this video with your friends who are studying abroad and who want to transfer the money from euros to INR. And also if you don't know how to sign up for this app, so comment down below. So I will make a dedicated video on it, how you can sign up and how you can update your ID card. So if you are confused about it, so you can comment on, like this video and comment down below, so that I will make a dedicated video for you how to sign up and how to verify your account also. So you can just try it once. If you are not able to figure it out, just comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you like this video and share this video with your friends and family members.